100 days of Keto Chow. Today is day 33. It's also the day of the superb owl, also known as the big game, also known as the Super Bowl, but we can't call it that because of trademark issues. Whatever. I'm going to go start the stuff in the crock pot, the little smokies and stuff for the kids, so they can have that. And probably get the, I guess I should have gotten the shrimp defrosting yesterday. I can just force defrost them. It says not to do it, but I've never had a problem with it. Whatever. Yeah, I was actually just thinking not too long ago that, so I think I have, it's less than 10 days left of the first 42 days. When I did 42 days of Keto Chow last year, it was like really, really hard. And, well, kind of hard. Maybe it was just because I was getting closer to the end of the 42 and it's like, oh, I'm getting closer to the end. And this year it's been like, meh. It's been super easy, so yeah. And at the end of the 42, that's when I'll stop focusing on weight loss and start doing science. So, well, we'll see. I'll probably still continue to lose weight, just maybe not as fast. Yeah, so short Sunday update. See y'all on Monday. Bye.